Sometimes weather does exactly what it's supposed to do. We are in the early part of August. We're supposed to see partly sunny and warm and humid days with a couple of thunderstorms around. And that's exactly what we've been seeing. That's exactly what we are going to see as well. So that takes us into tomorrow. Begin the day in the mid-60s. It's a nice start to your weekend. Should see sunshine around in the morning. By the time we get you into the middle of the day, we'll start to see those puffy clouds again. It's getting hot too. We're in the mid-80s on our way to a high in the upper 80s with a typical summer day. Warm and humid. A couple of thunderstorms around mostly across the south. But if you're planning a trip to Laurel Lake or Lake Cumberland, it's not all day range. You may not even see any at those places. They'll just be around on the radar, and we'll talk about all that in a sec. Radar right now, we've got a few thunderstorms around, dropping some heavy rain where they are occurring. Everything is south of Highway 52. That's a pretty generous northern boundary with that. But we go down to Rockcastle County first. You see there around Broadhead, new storm is actually now firing up in the eastern part of Rockcastle County. That's been in the last couple of minutes. And over the last 30, you can see how the storm has been drifting around Broadhead. Not a whole lot of movement to it at all. So again, the folks getting rain, you're getting a bunch. Also been watching heavy rain going across McCreary into Wayne County. There could be a little isolated flood-prone areas. Might be seeing some standing water, some high water to deal with. And then that rain continues heavily on up toward Corbin there along I-75. It has been raining hard now in southern and eastern sides of Corbin. Then going out 25E into Knox County, you're seeing that heavy rain as well. You're looking at more heavy rain around Hazard and also some back around Manchester, just south of the Hal Rogers. So it's popcorn storms today. Locally heavy rain, some lightning and thunder. They don't move a whole lot. Looking like a really good summer weekend for us. Next week, there's a little heat and a little bit of change. The heat comes, that means this weekend we stay hot. We're at and just above normal Saturday, and same story on Sunday. We get back into the 90s Monday and Tuesday. Right now in Lexington, we're at 89, light north wind, and your dew point's enough that you notice it, but it's not over the top humid. You're looking at temperatures a little cooler across the south where we've seen rain like Williamsburg. 75. Where it has not rained, it's hot. Frankfort's at 88. Moorhead, Mount Sterling 86. Danville's 88 as well. So is Richmond. The mugginess more across the south than the north. In fact, pretty comfortable. You head up into northern Kentucky, but to the south, those dew points are around 70. It's pretty sticky. Our weather map nearly identical to yesterday, which means our weather has been nearly identical to yesterday. You know what? The weather map on Sunday is going to look an awful lot like Saturday. So there'll be scattered thunderstorms around, but not all that many, and it stays hot. Headed out to Lakeside Live should be good for you. Mid-80s. Matt Smith starts at 7 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow, Kenny Owens and group therapy. Boy, you're in for a treat if you're headed out there tomorrow night. Thunderstorms die out. Warm and humid with patchy fog. Mid-60s tonight. Upper 80s tomorrow. Small thunderstorm chance just about all of us, though. Stay dry. Same story on Sunday. We should all be dry Monday and Tuesday with temperatures in the 90s. Cooler late next week.
All right, Bill, thanks.